Hello everybody. I'm really excited to be bringing you on my first international flight here out of Newark, heading for a connection in London Heathrow on the way to Rome. We got some plane action. I don't know how good you're going to be able to see this, but you're going to do this with me. We will see how it goes. I'm traveling with 6 other family members, so save me. But yeah, let's do this together. Nope. Keep walking. This is not us. Alright, we finally made it on. That's a hassle, and even with my bag being the right size, it doesn't quite seem to fit on this 777 very well. So I am 5'3" for frame of reference. Not a whole lot in the way of leg room. Olivia is cozy though, aren't you?
Yes.
You're pretty cozy?
Yes, this is a really good airplane.
Oh yeah? So here are the TVs. The remotes are in the armrests. You do get a pillow and blanket once you get on. And here we go. I know. It's Alfred. Alright, so they're coming around doing drink service, and they're going to be serving dinner. You get a wine with your dinner. Soda, we got pretzels to start with. Look at, what is that? Alright, so the choice tonight was chicken and pasta. So let's take a gander. So we got a little salad, we got a roll, some crackers and cheese, some water, and a heavenly chocolate and salted caramel pops. Alrighty, look right here. Olivia, eyes are right here. So tell us what's going on. Goodness. So you got a pasta, salad, chocolate pudding. Wow. Here is what the pasta looks like. Go.
This is delicious.
Take a big bite. How is it? Sleepy little girl. So for breakfast they handed out these croissants. Is there something in the middle of the croissants?
Yeah, it's a tomato cream cheese.
Oh, it's like a tomato cream cheese. And we are almost there. Alright, finally made it, decompressed, a little tired, still dealing with the jet lag, but we made it to London Heathrow. I've got so many tips that I'm probably going to break down at the end of this video in a whole separate video once I can collect my thoughts, but we have about a 5.5 hour layover, so Maybe a little work. I'll be back to that. All right, waiting for the second flight on a conference call. Severe multitasking. So these gates over here, you have the escalators or a lift down, and you actually go all the way down there to get on your flights. This Terminal 5 area seems to be a lot more, in essence, what we would call a regional style in the US, because our flight to Rome is only about 2 hours.
See.
Hi.
Hi. Hello there.
This is a newer plane. Beautiful.